Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Sagittarius, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Wheel of Fortune, Seven of Wands, and Judgment in reverse. So Sagittarius, in your situation today, guys, maybe for some of you, I see that you are in some kind of an situation. You are very anxious or worried about something. Maybe someone is sick, so you are looking after them and you are worried for them, or it may be your energy, you are sick and people are worried about you, or it may be a circumstance in your career situation, or it may be a circumstance in your relationship. So you're worried for someone in your work or in your the person in your relationship. So they are sick or they are fighting some addictions. They have a lot of addictions and they are trying hard, doing everything possible, but still they are unable to overcome this situation, guys, and that is what is worrying you. And maybe you are helping them, making a lot of efforts, or it may be a situation in your work. Maybe you are working dedicatedly, devotedly, but you see a lot of obstacles, delays, or suspensions in your work. But you need not worry, guys, Sagittarius, because I see that your troubles are just temporary. All your troubles are going to resolve very soon, and you are going to see a positive change coming up, and you are in a very good position, reaching success very soon. So that is also what I see. And also luck is smiling on you, guys, Sagittarius. So you are going to be extremely lucky today, guys, in your work. You may get new offers or opportunities in your work, something that gives you happiness and success, prosperity today, and things are changing. Maybe some problems in your work or some situation in your relationship, whatever it is, maybe because of addictions or illness or some delays or suspensions, whatever it is, destiny is playing its part and you are going to get extremely lucky, guys. That is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius. If you want more clarity, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Sagittarius. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this card aside, the second card. Let's see what is the card for those who chose this card. It's a Crystal Spirits card here, guys, we have. And it is Pesartan Garnet. So with this card, the energy is that maybe in this relationship or in your circumstance today, you have some kind of fear or something is holding you back from showing the other person what you truly are. And you are trying hard, maybe, to make people like you. But you need to understand that the person who is your perfect match, who is your soulmate, is waiting for you. And this person will love you for what you are, what you truly are, not for what you are trying to show about yourself, guys. So you need not worry. You are attractive, beautiful, and you are a beautiful soul as you are. And you need not feel worried or feel any kind of inhibition in showing your true nature, your true uh, personality, your true characteristics. And you need not worry that other people may not feel comfortable with you, seeing you that way. So the right person is coming towards you, and you just have to show your authentic self in any situation. Uh, Stop hiding what you truly are, and stop trying to hide out of fear for other person, guys. And today is the right time you need to do that, and you need to realize that you are attractive and beautiful as you are. And this may be the time, the right time your soulmate will also recognize all that is attractive in you, and they will come towards you. You just have to be what you are truly, guys. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, it is the Wild Swans. Dedication. So this card just means that your story is a story of sacrifice. You have done a lot, you are doing a lot of things, sacrificing yourself, maybe physically, emotionally, but your sacrifice is without recognition, and you are doing it out of love for the other person, for someone in your life. And your sacrifice, it may look like a madness to the people around you. Maybe you are not revealing the truth behind your actions. So that may be the reason. Maybe you are devoted to some task or a mission. You have that single mindedness in your work, or in the task that lies ahead of you. It may look like madness. People may see you as someone engrossed in work, not interested to communicate to others. But you are doing something for a greater purpose today, guys. So you are moving towards the greater good of someone you love, and you are going to bring a great change in others' lives, guys, other person's life. And maybe we do not appreciate the work of a scientist or a great artist when they are immersed in their work. Only when we see the final results, we know the potential of their work, and we have the evidence of their skills and talents and their one single-minded passion. So you are doing something like that in your situation, or there is someone doing something like that in your situation, guys. And this is not the time for being judgmental. You just have to see the truth. Maybe your actions or this person's actions may appear bizarre, but They are doing it out of love, and there may be a time coming very soon when they are going to explain things to you guys. And maybe they do not need your approval, or if it is your situation, you do not need others' approval. Maybe you are doing something for a greater good for everyone, but a time will come when you will explain your actions, or when that other person is going to explain their actions. So the time for that great breakthrough is not very far, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.